How to make a transparent background in Fusion in Davinci Resolve. Right-click in the Media pool and select New Fusion Composition. Double-click on the composition to open it on the Fusion page. Add a background node and attach it to the media out. Add a text node and attach its output to the output of background node to create a merge node. Now select the N in the inspector, type something. Now go back to the edit page and drag the composition into timeline. Here you can see that the background is black, but I wanted a transparent background. Remove the composition from the timeline and double-click on it in the media pool. Select the background node and decrease alpha to 0. Now if I go back to the edit page and drag the composition into timeline, you can see that the background is transparent. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.